If you own a vinyl cutter, in this video we're gonna talk about 4 different products you should be selling right now. So let's get started. It doesn't matter what type of vinyl cutter you have. It could be a Cameo 4, the Cricut Titan, or a Graphtec. You get the idea. If you guys can afford, if you have like $2,000 to invest in just a vinyl cutter, this will definitely be one of the best investments that you can make. The Graphtec CE6000-60. It is one of the best machines that we have used so far. The first product or service we want to talk about are car decals. These are by far our favorite products to sell. 2 of the main reasons why we love them is because of profits and speed. Although this is our second most sold item, but this one brings about 60% of our income. And we could easily make a few projects in just a couple of days. We know from experience that it can be a little intimidating and challenging when you're just getting started. One tip we can give you is practice with your own vehicles until you feel comfortable. If you own a vinyl cutter, you should consider selling this product. Remember, if you are a VIP member of our channel and have the gold membership, you can use our decal calculator to give estimates. Also, you can watch our videos on how we use it to come up with our own prices for this product. Now, if you would like to join our VIP members, just go to the join button and you will get more instructions. Just make sure that you select the right membership. Thank you for your support. Our second product are car magnets or magnetic signs. This is our most sold item and our second favorite from the list. This is the type of product a lot of small business owners are looking for. The advantages of these signs are that they can be removed and transferred to another vehicle, and they are very affordable. And you can use these as selling points to your customers. If you're liking this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for your support. Now it's time to talk about our vinyl banners. This can also be a great product to sell. If you do not own a digital printer, it can be a challenge finding the right customer. But this shouldn't stop you from adding this item to your menu. In case you haven't noticed the pattern, it is very simple and it makes totally sense why once you learn how to make vinyl decals and instead of applying them on vehicles, all you have to do apply them on vinyl banners or car magnets or the next products we're going to talk about. This is a no-brainer. And now it's time to talk about our fourth and least favorite product. And the main reasons why it is not on our favorite list is that most yard signs require designs on both sides. That means double the work. Unless you own a digital printer, this shouldn't be a challenge. Don't get me wrong, you can still make good profits with this product, but not as good as when you're selling a vinyl banner. But it is good to have extra options for products to offer, especially when you're just getting started and want to do this full-time like us. These are not the only products that you could make with a vinyl cutter. We just wanted to show you the ones we sell the most or the ones that don't require you to invest that much money after, of course, you have already invested in your vinyl cutter. We want to give you a few tips before you start selling these products. But before that, let's go and find out where you can get these materials and equipment. You can find the links directly to the products in the description of the video or on the very first comment. If you get anything through those links, we're going to make a small commission and we really appreciate your support. You can also get them through our store. You can just go to www.rdidecals.com. And this is another place where you can get your equipment and materials from, and that is Uscutter. Before you introduce a new product to your business, it's always great to get an idea of how much the product will sell. And that's why down here we have different options for magnets as well as for banners. And the ones on top, these are already cut magnets and you can get them just one piece, or you can get a couple of them. I mean, honestly, I recommend that you guys get like at least 5 of them to get an idea. And let's click on it and show you the different options that you have here. You can get a 12, or you can get an 18 by 18 and by 24. And let me show you the prices. I know that if you get them like this, are going to be a little bit more expensive, but at least you will get an idea before actually investing a lot of money in a roll. As you can see down here, they are $188, and these are the ones that we get. Let me show you all the options down here. We usually get the matte finish, and we get the 30 or 30 mil, which is 0.76 millimeters. And then we either you can get the 25 or you can get the 50. I think the 25 is actually cheaper than getting the 50, but most of the time they're out because a lot of people know that little trick. And now let's go back to our banner material, and it's basically the same thing. You can also just get like a single piece of banner, and up here we have the different options. Just to give you an idea, we'll probably get a 36 by either 6 or 8 feet long, and usually we get the white color. And just to give you an idea about their prices, I think they are like $40, but I mean, if you get them separately like this, like I said, in the end you're gonna end up paying more. But look at the price for the roll, and let's click on it and show you exactly the one we get. If you get this in particular, well, first of all, we get the 36-inch, and it's the 20-yard. Let me just zoom in and give you an idea. They are, as the name says, or the instructions say here, they are the Green Star banner rolls, 13 ounces. It's best to get the 18 ounces, but it's really hard to find that thickness. Usually the 13, that's what they have available, and that's why we usually get this. And the gloss white hemmed top and bottom, you want to make sure that they are hemmed. All you will have to do is just get grommets and the, I think it's called like the handheld grommet thingy. I forgot the right name for it, but you get the idea. We have a lot of videos about this process too. And we also recommend that you guys get the cutting knife. If you use the cutting knife when applying vinyl decals on cars, you will avoid getting residue from the paper. Makes it a lot easier when you use the cutting knife. Also, if you're gonna be layering vinyl, or if you want to avoid a few bubbles, you can use rapid tag, or you can also use action tag, whatever you have available. And you can also use them if you don't have time to apply your registration marks. You can also use them. It makes it a lot easier. Another tool that we recommend that you guys get is the application tape rollers. They make it a lot easier if you do not have extra help to help you apply the transfer on your vinyl decals. And another great thing about this tool is that you can use it on your Cameo cutter. As you can see here in the video, it makes it a lot easier to align and cut the vinyl. It doesn't matter what type of vinyl you cut. You can cut the Oracle or the Scissor Easy Weed. We always recommend that you guys invest a little money in getting all of those tools and the materials that you can see us using throughout our videos. As you can see, it doesn't matter what type of vinyl cutter you have. It could be the Cricut, Cameo 4, Titan, Graphtec. You can make these and all the other products that we show in our videos. Now, if you're about to invest money in a vinyl cutter, we always recommend that you get the Graphtec. But if you cannot afford that and you want to invest less money, we always recommend that you get a vinyl cutter where you can use rolls of vinyl and you can cut something bigger than 12 by 12 and you're not forced to use a cutting mat. If you want to learn more about what other type of products you can make with the vinyl cutter, we recommend that you check out our channel. And of course, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you guys until the next video.